Meaning of haughty.
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 Haughty. The word haughty refers to someone who is arrogantly superior and disdainful. A person who is haughty is often overly proud of their abilities, accomplishments, or social status, and may look down on others who they perceive as being beneath them. Such individuals may exhibit a condescending attitude towards others and display a sense of entitlement. Haughtiness can also lead to a lack of humility, making it difficult for people to connect with those around them. In essence, a haughty person is someone who believes they are better than others and acts accordingly.